Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to learn one idiom, actually two idiom which is having similar meaning. First one is kill two birds with one stone and the other one is one arrow two targets. So let's begin our video. But before that I want you to request please like, share and subscribe my channel and please try to comment your sentence so that you will get the practice also and I can understand that you understood what I taught you. Okay, let's begin with the video. Hello everyone. Today's cue card is about idiom and that idiom we can use in these all questions. First one is talk about a free time activity you enjoy. Talk about leisure activity you like to do. What is your strategy for success? And last one is time management is vital for success. Why? Here these four questions I have given. In that first two are cue cards and last two are your part 1 questions. In all of them you can use this idiom which we are going to discuss now. The idiom is kill two birds with one stone and the same type of idiom is one arrow two targets. Okay, these both are different but have the similar meaning. Now let's see the meaning. First meaning is accomplish two different things at the same time. Second, solve two problems with one single action. And third, achieve two things with a single action or efforts. Okay, जैसे कोई चीज़ को आप अचीव करने वाले हो उसके लिए आप एक ही एक्शन या एक ही एफर्ट्स या कम एफर्ट्स के अंदर आपके 2-3 काम अगर हो रहे हैं तो ऐसी सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए ये इडियम यूज़ हो सकता है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू पुट लेस एफर्ट्स एंड यू अचीव द बिगर टारगेट्स. एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस थिंग्स. ओके, यहाँ पर मैंने उसके हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन भी दिया है. एक पंथ दो काज, वो उसका हिंदी वर्जन है. सेकंड है एक तीर से दो निशान लगाना. तो ये दोनों जो कहावतें हिंदी की है उसका ये इंग्लिश इडियम होता है. ठीक है, जहाँ पर आपको ऐसी सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब करना है तो वहाँ पर आप ये इंग्लिश इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हो. नाउ लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. First example is I listen English podcast while I cook, killing two birds with one stone. Second one, we should use e-books more so that we can save environment and trees too. It's like killing two birds with one stone. यहाँ पर environment के लिए मैंने बात करी है. When you are having certain type of essay questions where it is related to environment protection and to save environment or save tree, that time you can use this type of idiom. Second is cycling to work, kill two birds with one stone. It saves petrol, money and helps to control air pollution. Again, cycling to work kills two birds with one stone. It saves petrol, money and helps to control air pollution. Next one, walking is the best exercise as it helps in releasing stress and reduces weight. Killing two birds with one stone. Walking is the best exercise as it helps in releasing stress and reduce weight. Killing two birds with one stone. Next one is multitasking is my forte. It helps me in killing two birds with one stone. Here I have used word forte. I want you to find out the meaning of it and share in the comment section. Okay, it is very easy and it will give you the fluency also. Next one is if you learn to do time management, you can kill two birds with one stone. Again, if you learn to do time management, you can kill two birds with one stone. Basically, here I like to tell you that time management is very important. All the time I am doing that time management. The students who are knowing me personally, they know. It will save your time. Secondly, you are becoming master of doing 2-3 things at a time. It will give you extra time, extra free time which you can utilize in doing your hobbies or spending time with your family also. Okay, so I hope you understand these idioms and meanings.